Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. Today we're going to take a little visit on a Grumman Traveler, November 5412 Lima. Here it was back in July of 1994. You can imagine my surprise when we had another 73 Traveler come to Picayune Airport, now closed. But anyway, let's take a look at 30 years in the life of 5412 Lima, its owners, and its paint jobs. I think you're going to find this interesting.
We would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
So here's serial number 312 getting its belly washed and all of it clean down at Picayune. And then in 2000 it had some hail damage. Now these are photos from out of a photo album across 2 pages. But anyway, when it was bought by Donald, who owns it now, these were the pictures that the owner sent to him when it had hail damage. It went to Fletch Air in 2000 and it was painted in a scheme. Now when he redid the paint job again in 2020, he did it in the same scheme but with different colors. So here it was back in 2000, getting ready to come out of the paint shop and go home. So not a bad looking airplane. For those of you who don't know, I think Travelers are one of the most underrated Grummans we have out there. A lot of us started in Travelers. I started in a Traveler. Shop Monkey started in a Traveler. You get the idea. Then in 2021, the new owner, Donald, took the airplane and did a firewall forward. So firewall got painted, inside of the cowling got painted, a new high compression engine, 160 horsepower from Bill Scott STC was applied to the engine and hung on the airplane. So it changed a lot of the characteristics of the aircraft, but still, all in all, here's what it looks like now in its current paint scheme. The originals you saw back there were factory originals, the white, the blue, and the Patriot blue. So as you can see here, when they did the engine, they did the baffle seals and the baffles all in paint. So it's going to look good for many, many years. And with the new baffle seal material, it's going to be a nice, cool running airplane for quite a while. So this is all the engine redo. I'm sure the hoses are coming about due someday, but anyway, it's a project you can have on your airplane. Now let's take a look at what the airplane looks like now, and this is a picture from, you can find on the web if you just do a Google search of 5412 Lima. There's the rotating beacon and the red rudder cap. Notice it now has a nose fairing. So anyway, this is what it looks like in today's dollars, and this is what it looks like camping. So ladies and gentlemen, they're nice airplanes. Donald's daughter recently got her private pilot license. She went to a flight school where all they had were Grumman, so all her time was in Travelers. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman.